Hello again, and welcome back to our listening practice. It's Anya here. In today's session, we're going to dive into another set of everyday British conversations to help you tune your ear to the way we speak. This time, we'll listen to 3 new scenarios: making plans with a friend over the phone, a quick trip to the supermarket, and that classic Monday morning chat about the weekend. As before, I'll speak naturally, so don't worry if you don't catch every single word the first time. The goal is just to listen and get familiar with the flow. Right then, let's get started. Okay, first up, imagine I'm ringing a friend to make some plans for the weekend. The conversation might sound like this. Hiya, you all right? Just ringing to see if you're free this weekend. I was thinking, fancy going for a pint on Saturday evening? Oh, you're busy then. No worries at all. What about Sunday then? We could maybe go for a walk in the afternoon if the weather holds up, and grab a pub lunch somewhere. Does that sound good? Brilliant. Right then, let's say we meet around 1 o'clock. I'll text you the details. Ace, speak soon. Cheers, bye. So, let's look at some of the language there. I started with, hiya, you all right, which is a very common informal greeting. Ringing is often used instead of calling. A key phrase is fancy doing something, which is our way of saying, do you want to? And you heard a pint and a pub lunch, 2 cornerstones of British social life. No worries is a very common way to say, that's okay, and ace is just another informal word for great. Next, let's imagine we're at the supermarket, at the checkout, or what we call the till. The person serving you is scanning your items. Hi there, no, I don't have a loyalty card, thanks. Oh, and could I get a carrier bag for that, please? Just the one. I'll be paying by card, if that's all right. There we are. Lovely, thanks very much. You have a good one. Cheers. This was a short one, but full of useful bits. Loyalty card is what we call a store card for points. A plastic or reusable bag is called a carrier bag. You'll also notice I specified paying by card, and the phrase, you have a good one, is a very common and friendly way to say goodbye to someone you've just had a brief interaction with, like a shop assistant. And finally, picture this. It's Monday morning at the office or at college, and you're chatting with a colleague. This is a conversation you will hear up and down the country every single week. Morning, Sarah. How was your weekend? Yeah, not bad, thanks. Mine was pretty quiet, to be honest. I just did a bit of tidying up around the house and then popped round to my parents' for Sunday lunch. The weather wasn't up to much, was it? A bit grey. Did you get up to anything exciting? In that short chat, we used some great informal phrases. Pretty quiet means nothing special happened. To be honest is a very common filler phrase. Popped round to my parents just means I paid them a quick, informal visit. If we say the weather wasn't up to much, it means it wasn't very good. And get up to anything is a friendly way of asking, what did you do? And there we have it, 5 minutes of practical, everyday British English. We've covered making plans, shopping at the till, and the Monday morning catch-up. Try listening to this video a few more times this week and you'll find the phrases start to sound much more familiar. Thanks for joining me. Take care and see you next time. Cheers.